In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stocks to Trading 212 Pi. If you're building a long-term portfolio on Trading 212, Pi's make it easy to automate contributions and keep your target allocations on track. I'll walk you through two ways to add stocks: adding a brand new slice to an existing Pi and importing stocks you already own so they're managed inside the Pi. First, let's add a new stock directly into a Pi. Open Trading 212, then go to Portfolio and choose Pis. Select the Pi you want to update. Next, tap Edit Pi. From here, tap Add Slice. Use the search bar to find the stock you want, then select it to add it as a new slice. You'll now set the percentage allocation for this new slice. Think about how this fits with your overall strategy. Larger percentages mean more of each contribution will go to that stock. When you're happy, tap Confirm to apply the change. A quick but crucial reminder: your total allocation across all slices must always add up to 100%. If you increase one slice, you'll need to reduce others until the total equals 100%. Also, adding a stock to your Pi does not automatically buy it right now. It simply adds the slice so that future investments or rebalancing can include it. You'll invest later when you're ready. Now, if you already bought a stock outside the Pi and want it managed within the Pi, you can import it. Open your Pi, then tap the three dots in the top right. Select Import Investments. Choose the stock you want to bring into the Pi. You'll set the amount either in shares or as a percentage of your Pi, depending on what makes sense for your portfolio. After that, adjust your Pi's allocations so the total is back to 100%, then confirm. Your stock is now inside the Pi, which helps centralize your holdings and align them with your target weights going forward. If you can't find a specific stock when you try to add or import it, there's a common reason. Some stocks don't support fractional shares, and certain instruments aren't enabled for Pis at all. Only fractional stocks and ETFs can be added to a Pi. That limitation ensures your allocations can be followed accurately, even with small, regular contributions. And that's it. You've learned how to add a new slice, import an existing holding, keep allocations balanced at 100%, and understand why some stocks might not be eligible. Take a moment to review your targets. Then you'll be set for smoother, more consistent investing inside your Trading 212 Pi.